International Yoga Day 2025 stands as a global tribute to the harmony between body and mind, the individual and society, humanity and nature. Celebrated annually on June 21st, this day pays homage to the timeless wisdom of yoga, an ancient practice with profound modern significance, offering a path to physical vitality, mental clarity, and inner peace. This year, the theme, Yoga for One Earth, One Health, reminds us that in a world racing ahead, the power of stillness and mindfulness is more essential than ever. At NIT Rourkela, YOGVIDYA, the official yoga club, has been at the forefront of spreading this transformative practice. Throughout the year, the club has nurtured a strong yoga culture through both online and offline initiatives. From hosting weekly practice sessions every Saturday and Sunday to sharing inspiring yoga content on Instagram, YOGVIDYA has remained a pillar of well-being within the campus. The club's contribution to Mental Health Week through engaging events like Limber Leaf highlighted the fun and therapeutic aspects of yoga. Their synchronized performance on Independence Day 2024 showcased not just the art of movement but also the spirit of unity and discipline. YOGVIDYA also made its mark in Vriddhi, the inter-NIT sports competition, where the team demonstrated exceptional yoga skills, captivating the audience. Taking their commitment to a national level, students from YOGVIDYA represented NIT Rourkela at the National Yogasana Sports Championship at JP Hospital, Rourkela, earning the prestigious Best Discipline Award. Our club organized a yoga competition on campus, which included a yoga quiz and a speech competition. Through all these consistent efforts and a deep commitment to the promotion of yoga, YOGVIDYA continues to inspire everyone. As we celebrate this International Yoga Day, let us remember that yoga is not just a practice, it is a way of life. On behalf of YOGVIDYA and NIT Rourkela, wishing you a joyful International Yoga Day.